Hi guys, today we are learning how to find recently deleted messages on iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Messages app. Before finding recently deleted messages, let's quickly see how a message gets deleted so you know where it goes. Open any conversation and swipe left on the message you want to delete. Tap the trash icon, then confirm by tapping Delete. The message will now be moved to the recently deleted folder. Go back to the main messages screen and tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Recently Deleted to view all messages that have been deleted recently. You'll now see the messages you've recently deleted. Select the message you want to restore, then tap Recover in the bottom left corner. Confirm the recovery, and the message will be restored to your inbox. After recovering the message, go back to your messages list. Open the conversation where the message was originally located, and you'll find it restored and ready to view again. And that's how you can easily find and recover recently deleted messages on your iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple iPhone tutorials.